Howdy rotor grip lovers, storm ball havers, 900 global enjoyers. We got a brand new ball. It's from Roto Grip. It's pink, it's purple. I wish it was blue. I'll tell you why in a second. We have Optimum Idol Pearl. So, what do we have here? The inside, same as the Optimum Idol, basically AI Idol. On the outside, we've got not just a Pearl version, beefed up. Don't know what the cover's called, but the tech specs will be somewhere. It's got the same cover as the Exotic Gem. This is the strongest Pearl symmetric ball you're gonna get from our Storm line. I got this ball, I opened the box, I went, I don't like the way it looks. Had a bad first impression off the rip, but it's micro tracks. Jesse just did his homework. Thanks, Jesse. Micro tracks. Strong. If you watched the League Night Live finale, you guys saw this ball. I think very differently of it now. Its performance outshines the way it looks. And I know some of you may like the way it looks, and good for you. I think I wanted it to be blue so bad because I really like the Idol Pearl, and that was blue. But we have this. All good. Good. If it does that, I don't care. All right, so I've got two of them today. As you guys know, we will be doing ball reviews one-handed and two-handed moving forward. One-handed, we have 5.5 by 5 by 4 3/4. That's gonna put the pin underneath my middle finger. That was my favorite layout for the original Idol. I like to shine them up a little bit. Ball was magic. Now, the two-handed one, 5 1/4 by 5 by 3 1/2. Layout compliments of TV Bowling Supply's very own Easy Mike Breezy, AKA my brother, Maverick's dad. This ball looked amazing in League. Not the first game, but the last 3. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, Jesse. I don't know what it is, Jesse. There's just some balls that you feel really good about and you just throw them amazing. We shot the Summit Ascent video and I was struggling, man. The lane's not quite calling for a Summit Ascent. They're hooking a bunch. And out of the box, this is a marble, look at it. It's so shiny. So I do recommend taking the surface down a little bit, unless yours just looks amazing out of the box. Don't hit it before you throw it, just so you know how it rolls before, because you might like it really shiny. But I'm gonna definitely hit the wall with my thumb in it. It does get down the lane quite a bit, probably a little more than I would like. They get a little unpredictable at times. When they're this shiny, you're not gonna be able to replicate how shiny this ball is, this finish. Hit it with some surface, get some lane oil in it. The ball reaction will be a little more replicable, easier to replicate. English is hard for me today. I'm just gonna bowl, because that's what I do. That was rotated and right, and it was almost perfect. The rotation probably didn't help us there, but plenty of energy retention. I almost don't want to hit it with surface. Actually, no, this is the perfect example. I've got a pretty beat up 2000 pad. I would typically use a fresher one. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hit it a little bit. Just take the shine off. This should round out the ball reaction a little bit. Now it's not as shiny. I've got about 5 games on the other Optimum Idol, and it's still quite a bit shinier. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. Honestly, it's probably kind of hard to tell. I can see that there's quite a bit of difference. That pad's also nearing the end of its life. There we go, same spot. About the same location. Much earlier, trips to the 4. If your ball is doing the right thing on the lanes, you're gonna get more hits. Let's reverse engineer that. If you're not getting hits, your ball's doing the wrong thing. So bowling is all about repeating shots and getting your ball to do what the lane likes. So just because you're throwing the ball well, not gonna equate to high scores. Let's get some two-handed shots in here. I'm not really sure what my PAP is. I've been using 5 over, 1 up, but I am an Optimum Idol enjoyer. Also, I have a name. This ball has a name. I'll show you guys after the shot. I throw this ball so good. And it rolls so good. I don't know why I can't throw it like that with the, you know what? We're not gonna talk about the other one. This is the Optimum Idol video. Just you wait, guys. All right, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, I would really appreciate it if you did. Maybe we'll do some kind of giveaway approaching 100K. Maybe it will be 100 balls again. Should we give 300 balls away if we hit 300K by the end of this year? Okay, you heard it from the editor man himself. 300 bowling balls for 300,000 subscribers. That's the magic bowling number. Help us get there. But anyways, the name of this Optimum Idol Pearl is, oh! Shout out all the One Piece fans. Yeah, I was drilling the ball and I somehow perfectly drilled out the P and the E out of the pearl. Left A-R-L. I was gonna name him Arl, and then I realized there's this big O right next to it. So this is Arl, and Arl. Earl's amazing. I rolled the piss out of that one. That one. And it just won't stop striking. Oral is a beast. I shot 832 the last 3 games of league. My only misses were 210s. But if you guys want to see it happen, check out the league video. This two-handed one does feel a lot stronger. I know I have more rev rate, so it's gonna read the lane way more. The layout on this one is quite a bit weaker. And I feel like it gets down the lane so easy because it's pinned down to a little more controllable as well. And I like that, especially in a big, strong bowling ball like this. It'll be really good later in the block. This is a back half of the block kind of bowling ball. I forgot I hit it with surface. But now it just looks even better. I get a lot of people asking me, what's the most hockey stick shaped bowling ball there is? And I never answer the question because hockey stick is the ball reaction that you don't want. You watch the pros, yeah, they can hook the ball a lot, but they're not looking for hockey stick motion. We're looking for a ball to hook early, and we may be covering a lot of boards, but our ball's reading really early. So that's what you want to look for. Banana motion is good, controllable. You just need enough energy retention so that the ball knocks the pins down. Let's get in front of the ball return and see what this thing can do. I have pretty high hopes for this ball. I think I'm gonna have to drill a pin-up one-handed as well. I have a tournament coming up with Team USA, and I think this one's gonna make the bag. That was the same exact hit as the two-handed one. It's just an Optimum Idol Pearl hit. We love that. Love that a lot. It's a giant gumball. I think this ball is gonna get a lot of nicknames. Chat in the live helped us come up with Pepto-Bisball. Giant gumball. Looks like a milkshake. It's like a strawberry acai milkshake. I don't know what it is about this ball. This one just feels right. It doesn't look right, but it feels right. That's the worst one I've thrown so far. Say you've done all your healing. I know you wanna. And forepin, we'll take that. I honestly thought it was just gonna boomerang and just make everything disappear. Let's try the walk around to get a little further left, just like Belmo. All right, guys, this has been Optimum Idol Pearl from Rotor Grip, our latest and greatest. It's coming to you August 23rd, 2024. And we're going out with a bang. A bang! See you on the next one.